हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर है वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव इनटू द चैप्टर नंबर 11 एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज एडवर्ब्स. And adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb जो कि meaning add करता है किसमें, verb में, adjective में और दूसरे adverb में. जैसे कि walk briskly add to the meaning of a verb. Walked आपका meaning है, walked आपका क्या है, verb है, उसके साथ meaning add on कर रहा है कौन सा word, briskly. Briskly आपका क्या है, adverb है. Okay. Next thing, a very difficult situation adds to the meaning of an adjective. वेरी आपका क्या हो जाएगा, एडवर्ब हो जाएगा. डिफिकल्ट आपका क्या है, एडजेक्टिव है, तो उसका एडजेक्टिव के मीनिंग में भी एड ऑन कर रहा है, एनहेंस कर रहा है उसे ज्यादा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, इंटरव्यू क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंटली. ठीक है, कॉन्फिडेंटली आपका क्या है, एडवर्ब है. ओके, एज टू द मीनिंग ऑफ द अनदर एडवर्ब. और क्वाइट भी आपका एडवर्ब है, तो एडवर्ब के मीनिंग में ही वो एडवर्ब जो है एड ऑन कर रहा है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एडवर्ब्स. एडवर्ब्स आर नॉर्मली फॉर्म बाय एडिंग ly टू द एडजेक्टिव्स. अब आप कुछ एडजेक्टिव यहाँ पर देख रहे होंगे, तो इनके साथ आप एडवर्ब कैसे फॉर्म करोगे, जब आप ly ज्वाइन करोगे. जैसे कि शार्प, शार्पली, ly आ जाएगा तो शार्पली वो एडवर्ब बन गया. ओके, माइल्ड आपका एडजेक्टिव है, माइल्डली आपका क्या हो गया, एडवर्ब हो गया. नाइस, नाइसली, वाइज, वाइजली, वार्म, वार्मली, हैप्पी, हैप्पीली. However, some words have the same form both as an adjective and as an adverb. Some of these words are given below. कुछ का तो सेम ही फॉर्म रहता है, एडजेक्टिव हो चाहे एडवर्ब हो. जैसे कि हार्ड, लॉन्ग, अर्ली, लेट, डेली, स्ट्रेट, शॉर्ट, फास्ट. For example, draw a straight line, adjective. Go straight, adverb. My mother is an early riser, adjective. We rose early, adverb. Now before moving further, there is a note. All words ending in ly are not adverbs. ये सभी adverb नहीं होता है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. Some of them are adjectives too. कुछ adjectives भी होते हैं. For example, friendly, elderly, lovely, cowardly, lively, silly, lonely, ये आपके adjectives हैं, not adverb. Elderly people should be properly looked after. Last evening we played a friendly football match. तो आप देख सकते हो adjective है आपके. ठीक है. Sometimes we have two similar looking adverbs with very different meaning. दो similar looking adverb हो सकते हैं पर उनके meaning अलग हो सकते हैं. जैसे कि she went direct to her mother and apologized. Direct मतलब straight. I will meet you directly. Directly मतलब soon. Okay. I got late because of a traffic jam. Lately he has written some interesting poems. Lately मतलब recently. Okay. Now the next thing is about hard, hardly. Hardly मतलब very little, almost not. Okay. जैसे कि Shekhar must be unwell. He hardly ate anything. Okay, he ate very little. इसका मतलब उसने बहुत कम खाया. Could you speak a bit louder? I can hardly hear you. That means I can hear you very little. Okay, now next thing, hard and hardly are completely different. दोनों बहुत different है. Compare. The professor asked her to work hard, but she hardly did anything. Okay, we often use hardly plus any slash anybody slash anything anywhere. All these are business magazines. There is hardly anything for me to read. Next thing, the shopkeeper had declared 40% discount, but there were hardly any buyers. Next thing, hardly ever, almost never. Okay. I'm not interested in movies. I hardly ever go to the complex. Now, next thing is so such. Study the following sentences carefully. The film was so interesting. His clothes were so nice. It was such an interesting film. He wore such nice clothes. Now we use so plus adjective slash adverb जैसे कि so loud, so quietly, so gladly, so dull. Okay, such stupid people. Next thing students, we use such plus noun. Such को हम noun के साथ use करते हैं जैसे कि such stupid people, such a talented person. Now next thing, so and such make the meaning of an adjective or adverb stronger. ये meaning जो और भी ज़्यादा stronger कर देता है जैसे कि राहुल and गरिमा are such nice people and not so nice people. इसमें so का use नहीं करेंगे. Next one, we were having such good time. We didn't feel like coming back. She spoke so fast. I could hardly make out anything. Okay, after rain, it has become so pleasant. Okay, now next thing, third one, we can use so that, such that. It was such a beautiful scenery that I described to buy it. It was such a beautiful scenery that I decided to buy it immediately. Next one, I was so tired that I could hardly keep my eyes open. I was so tired that I could hardly keep my eyes open. Okay, तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर so और that का एक साथ use और such और that का एक साथ use. Now the next thing is enough to. First one, enough means sufficient. Enough का मतलब sufficient. It is always used in the positive sense. It is placed after the adjective and the adverb but before the noun. Noun से पहले और adjective adverb के बाद. Okay, जैसे कि he is old enough to get to the market. He is old enough to go to the market. Next one, she ran fast enough to reach the station स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर रीच होगा, टीच नहीं. शी रैन फास्ट इनफ टू रीच द स्टेशन इन टाइम. नेक्स्ट वन, देयर इज इनफ फूड फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस. नेक्स्ट वन, इनफ कैन समटाइम्स बी यूज अलोन ऑल्सो. इनफ जो है वो हम अकेले भी यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि यू कैन टेक सम मनी फॉर मी, यू हैवंट गॉट इनफ. ओके. Next one, the word to suggests excess of some kind, more than what it desirable, natural or proper. Okay, जैसे कि don't take things too seriously, excess form में जो होता है, ठीक है, तब हम to का यूज करते हैं. Next thing, he works too hard, it isn't good for him. Now next thing, point number 3, we normally say enough/to for somebody or something. जैसे कि this dress is too tight for me, I need a bigger size. Next one, we didn't have enough money for that beautiful painting. Now next is point number 4. We normally say enough/to do something, not for doing something. Okay, जैसे कि I had enough time to answer all the questions, I had too little time to answer all the question. Okay. Now the next point is, student, quite. First one, quite, less than very but more than a little. Less than very है पर more than है little के. It's quite cold right now, we will go out a little later. Quite is placed before or and. Before or and से पहले हम क्या यूज करते हैं, quite का यूज करते हैं. Quite जैसे कि quite a different paper. Okay, तो आप देख सकते हो कि से पहले क्या लगाए, क्वाइट लगाए. नेक्स्ट वन, क्वाइट एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी, एंड से पहले क्वाइट लगाए यहाँ पर. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, सेकंड वन, क्वाइट आल्सो मींस कंप्लीटली. फॉर एग्जांपल, क्वाइट का मतलब कंप्लीटली भी होता है, जैसे कि इज ही राइट, यस ही इज क्वाइट राइट. ओके, कंप्लीटली राइट. व्हेन यूज विद द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स, क्वाइट मींस कंप्लीटली. जब इन वर्ड्स के साथ हम यूज करते हैं तो क्वाइट का मतलब कंप्लीटली होता है, जैसे कि रॉन्ग, ऑब्वियस, सेफ, राइट, नेसेसरी, क्लियर, इम्पॉसिबल, श्योर, ट्रू, सर्टेन. Now students, the next one is fairly, rather. In this, the first point is both fairly and rather means moderately. Fairly is used with favorable adjectives and adverbs. Fairly adjective और adverb के साथ use होता है favorable one, जैसे clever, wise, intelligent. जैसे कि for example, he sang fairly well. This child is fairly clever for his age. The teacher was rather annoyed at her stupid answer. This trouser is rather expensive. The bedrooms are fairly spacious, but the kitchen is rather small. She is fairly rich, but her uncle is rather poor. Now the second point, several words like hot, cold, fast, slow, high, low in themselves are neutral. ये अपने आप में ही neutral है, जैसे कि in such cases fairly suggests the idea of approval, rather disapproval. Fairly approval को suggest करता है, rather disapproval को. The rent of this house is rather high for me. Disapproval, that means the speaker does not like the high rent of the house. Next one, this house can fetch a fairly high rent. The speaker likes the high rent of the house. Okay. Now the next is about position of adverbs. First one, adverbs of place and time. Usually the verb and the place where go together. ये एक साथ चलते हैं, जैसे कि walk to the market, go home, live in a town. If the verb has an object, the place comes after the object. वो जो place है वो object के बाद आएगी. Okay, जैसे कि meet someone on the road, take somebody home. Next one, time, where, how often, how long normally goes after place. ये भी place के बाद जाता है, जैसे कि याशिका goes, यहाँ पर आपको place दे रखा है, to tuition, time दे रखा है every evening. Okay, she has been in India since 10. Next one, students से T and 10 होगा. Okay. Next one, we arrived at Mumbai at midnight. It was often, student यहाँ पर was होगा. It was often possible to put time at the beginning of the sentence. Every early morning, the old woman goes to the temple to pray. Next Sunday, we are leaving to Delhi. If there is an adverb of manner also, the order कैसा होगा? पहले सब्जेक्ट होगा, शी स्पोक. मैनर आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर, एडवर्ब मैनर, वेल. एट द मीटिंग टुडे, एट द मीटिंग प्लेस, टुडे आपका टाइम हो गया. दे वर्कड हार्ड इन द फील्ड्स द होल डे. नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट, एडवर्ब्स आर प्लेस्ड आफ्टर इज स्लैश आर स्लैश एम स्लैश वर स्लैश वर. जैसे कि ट्रैफिक इज यूजुअली हैवी एट द इवनिंग आवर्स. यू आर ऑलवेज लेट. Next one, they are placed before the verb if the verb consists of only one word. अगर verb सिर्फ एक ही word का हो, जैसे कि the thief almost surrendered. Next one, he nearly lost all his belongings. Now the next point, they are placed after the first word if the verb consists of more than one word. एक से ज़्यादा हो. जैसे कि I have always supported you. The director was usually satisfied with my work. Next one, they are placed before the verb have to and used to. Have to और used to के used to से पहले हम इसे place करते हैं. जैसे कि he always used to get late on Sunday mornings. I often had to go without means. आई होप स्टूडेंट दैट यू अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर. और आपका होमवर्क है कि आपको इसकी फॉलोइंग एक्सरसाइज पार्ट को कंप्लीट करना है. नाउ आई एम गोना मीट यू इन अनदर क्लास. टिल देन स्टूडेंट्स, बाय बाय.